You know, I think marketing me would be a lot easier if I had a Lil Jon.
Okay!
Oh yeah. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max Penny 1 Lil Penny. Now this shoe is based off the popular Lil Penny campaign that Nike had ran in the mid-90s with Penny Hardaway, and sometimes Lil Penny would wear a uniform that had pros on it, that was basically the team, as well as Half Cent, which was his jersey number, and that's what this shoe is based off of. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is deep royal blue, gem red, and white. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly royal blue upper with the white overlay and gem red detailing as well. Take a look at the toe. You have a deep royal blue toe box, as well as a deep royal blue toe cap with the Nike logo in white with a red outline. You have a royal blue mesh tongue with a blue tongue tag and a red and white Nike swoosh, and you also have a blue and red pull tab. For the lateral, you got the blue suede upper, as well as the gem red detailing, and you have the white overlay, and it's got kind of that groove design. And you also have the red Nike swoosh, and it's a jewel Nike swoosh. Moving towards the heel, you got the royal blue suede with the white Pros Half Cent logo on it, and you have a royal blue and red pull tab. The medial is similar to the lateral, except for the fact that it does not have the overlay panel, so you just got the blue suede and the gem red detailing. The midsole is white with the exposed air unit on the heel, and you've got a white outsole with the red Nike swoosh and more of the exposed air unit on the heel. I think this colorway is solid. You can't go wrong with a blue, red, and white shoe. This colorway looks eerily familiar. I just can't for the life of me put my finger on it. It's also very hot, so my brain is probably mush. I'm drawing a blank right now. You know what it is? It looks like an alternate to the University Red colorway from a couple years ago. Yeah, but outside of that, it's a clean colorway. Suede on here is okay. It's nothing great, but the overall shoe is very solid looking. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Ryan Little.
Yoga!
The Air Penny 1 Lil Penny hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 30th for a retail price of $160. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.